everybody, my name is Carter, and today we have one of the biggest packages yet I have of toy trains. This one is a toy train. So, here is the box. It's a big box, and my dad is going to help me out with this one. So, okay, can you guess what this is without looking at the title? But I'm pretty sure it's heavy too, so I'm pretty sure there's some decorations in the train set. Okay. I knew you were gonna do that.
Now watch it.
Okay. Oh my goodness. I thought it was a small one too. Check that out, guys. Look what we've got here. Oh, it's upside down. It's upside down. It is a Bachmann rail sheet playset. And it comes with a BNSF engine, a Wisconsin Central coal car, a Burlington Northern car, and a Canadian National car, and a BNSF caboose. Let's get this baby open. And we also got this HO scale dual crossing gates from Bachmann 2. So that's gonna come in handy. No engine included on this one. So let's just start getting these cool, epic model train sets unboxed. My very first model train set. So there it is. I am so happy. And I wasn't expecting it to be this big. How crazy is that? I thought it was like N scale, not HO scale. Okay, here goes nothing. Lay it down on the floor. Oh, it's the easy track system. Oh yeah, check that out! Look at this. Oh! So I'm going to slowly and carefully put down the easy track. I do have a lot of this, but it was like, and from a video like I think on like in 2009. Oh look, you got little people with that. Like in 2009, you saw a video of me playing with the model railway Burlington Northern engine. I used to suck at model train stuff when I was that age.
Yeah, he'd break them all the time.
True, there's some wire and stuff.
On purpose.
And Bachmann, oh, I see the control panel. But I know the engines I got didn't have controls. Some decorations, and I'm gonna start opening this. Oh my gosh, check that out. The engine's huge. It's huge.
How about we leave him in there for now? But you
Now
can
let's-
onto the camera. There they
And
are.
now it's on. Now it's time to assemble the track.
Wait. Let me go back.
Here's the controller. That is epic, and we didn't have stuff like this back in 2009. I didn't have this back in 2009, but this is awesome. Well, here's some of the wiring for the control panel, and it's a plug-in. It has to go in an outlet. Good thing there is a outlet right behind where I'm recording. And I can't really show the outlet that much. There's the outlet. It's a pretty broken outlet because when I had my friends over, they crashed. We were playing with this rolling table and it crashed into the outlet and cracked it. So we're gonna have to fix that thing. Put this in. I'm just gonna.
So this is the power piece and the re-railing.
And I actually have one of those back from 2009 somewhere in my model train bin. It's right there. I might have to go with their walls though. Well, these are my two straight pieces. The one from 2009 probably doesn't even work. So I'm so glad that this piece is epic.
These are just accessories that you can put to the side for now.
And the other tracks are like broken up. And we're still assembling the track. Here's a piece of And I'm gonna be careful with me.
Okay, I'm gonna let you do this right here.
Oh.
See what that says right there?
Yeah.
2-track. Plug that in there.
And then you plug this in here. Wrong way. Plugged into the track.
Okay, and
Now I have to put this plug in.
yeah, so now you probably want to put the tracks together before you start putting electricity to them.
Yeah, so we'll
So
unplug that.
Let's open the crossing gate.
Yeah, I was about to say, should we start opening the railroad crossing? Because that's one, I've been watching this video called HO Trains versus Cars, and that's what made me get my mind on, maybe I should ask my parents if we can order another model train set. So, this is basically cool. Right now I'm just grabbing track pieces to build the set, and I am so happy I got my first model train set. Got the track assembled. Look at that. The crossing gates are coming out. Ready? Da-da-da-da! That's epic. Come take a look. It's the easy track, which I'm glad. If this was like, no, it's not easy track. It's gonna be hard to take apart. It's stapled together, but stables are easy to take apart. And now the gates go up, and the weight is put on here to make the gates go down. So, basically like this. So, when a train comes on here, weight puts down the crossing gates to let the train pass. But, it has no crossing signal on it. And you gotta be gentle with these model trains, so.
Well, your tracks together already?
Yeah.
What about the railroad crossing? Where are you gonna put that?
Yeah, I'm gonna take out this boring straight piece over here.
Don't you have any extra pieces in your room?
No. I probably do, but right now I'm putting my beautiful. There it goes. There it goes. And finally, I've been wanting this for ages. And now I got this attached, which is right here. The beautiful crossing without bells and stuff. I'm just gonna scoot the track aside a little so you can see the crossing. And would you take a look at that? Right here is the train. Let's take out the train as careful as you can. Here is the Wisconsin Central coal car. And I'm gonna be as careful as I can and put this on the track. And would you look at that? The gates go down perfectly on that coal car. Let's put this in a safe spot. And my dad is going to take out the engine because I am not good at that. Because I'm not good at that stuff. But right here we have a Canadian National car. Goes through the crossing. Put that there. And here is one of my favorites. Let me re-rail it. Oh, it's already on the track. The Burlington Northern Boxcar. And it looks like it's upside down.
Carter.
Yeah?
Here, watch.
What? This is how you re-rail it. Yeah.
Straight across there and it rails it.
Yeah. I have one of the re-railers. There's a BNSF caboose. Oh, it derails. It derails.
That's
Yeah.
not really
I know, it derails on here though. Let me see.
Oh, looks like you got it sticking up over it. You gotta undo it and redo it. See that?
Yeah.
Thought it was supposed to be easy track, huh? Alright.
And plus, it's like the Easy Play Railway logo because it has an E and instead of it spelling easy, it says E and a Z. Well, that'll do. It's a little broken rail there. Oh, perfect.
The easy player, they go on carpet pretty well.
But model trains, are supposed to
There
go
you
on
go.
like on pieces of plywood.
We'll be right back when we get them all hooked together.
I guess it's fair that I put down the BNSF engine. That is an SD40. The train works. Let's go ahead and turn it on. The railroad crossing. Ding, 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 ding. And we can turn the train off for you. And we can shut it off. And we can, perfect. And now we can add on some cars. So let me switch it.
Use the direction to flip that switch.
But first, the first part I'm going to put on is the boxcar. The boxcar, and we can re-rail the train. Okay. So now it's attached to the boxcar. Whoops, I need to switch the direction. And there it goes with the boxcar. I wonder what my cats are going to think about this because one of them just passed by. And now I'm going to add on the Canadian national car. Turn that backwards still.
And if you look outside, there's a real train.
Oh yeah, there is a real train outside. There's the Canadian national car. I'm going to be as careful as I can with the speed of my train. Now it's time to backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ding! Oh, it's still going. Switch it that way. And now we have almost the full train assembled. And now it's time to let's go backwards. Now I'm going to add on the final piece. The final, the chassis are, the bogies are wrong. And now it's time to put it backwards. Alright, you're supposed to couple. There we go. It's at the full speed, so here comes the train. It's a really cool train. Now it's time to slow it down a little. And now for a little fun, I'm going to swap the train. I'm re-railing it right now on the other crossing. And now I'm going to put it forwards. Whoops, backwards then. I mean, that was on backwards then. Alright, slow down. Gonna put on those. And now you can go backwards. Whoops, that's forwards. Gotta be careful with this train. I don't know, you have to put it away. And it even has some lights on the back. And that's the train on the playset. But we also have some decorations which are, they're up here on the table. And where's the little gates? Where are the gates crossing the lights? Start to assemble those. Assemble some people here. So, I'm just gonna go and attach the lights to the railroad crossing. Well, I got the lights out. I think I said bells. Sorry about that. Bad on these model trains. No, on this model train stuff. So I'm gonna start the train again. model train is so cool. But the one thing about model trains is that you gotta be very careful with them not to break them. Because one simple drop of this model train could shatter the glass on the, well, it could just make the train not even move. That's how careful you have to be with the model train. So now I'm gonna flip the engine around. BNSF engine. Let's flip this one off. As careful as I can. Oh, it's not attached to the rails. Is it now? It's at its maximum speed right now. It just... Still moving? Okay, so now I'm gonna uncouple this train and decouple this and keep the caboose on. Add on this. Clip on that. And you can also, I'm gonna keep these two cars to the side, but turn on the train. And now it's a small little train with the boxcar and the caboose. And that's the train. Now let's get the lights on that road crossing. Well, looky here. I found my rerailer. My old one. So that means like this piece is broken. So I'm gonna have to assemble the track again. Okay guys, so I just had a quick lunch break. Now I'm gonna start adding on these little railroad crossing signs and attach these road pieces. It's pretty hard to insert these, but it wasn't that hard to insert the road pieces. And I thought it was called. It is easy to snap. Anyways, I'm gonna have to do the other side too. And now this is assembled. I changed the track a little. Now my old one is over here. The new one's right here, and the crossings here and the normal straight piece is there. Well, now I'm gonna have to add on the engine and get the train going. Backwards. It's going backwards. Oh, I should get these out of the way. Well, now the gates fall down. Here comes the train. Oh my gosh, my cat just passed by. She was scared. And now the gates are stuck down. I'm gonna start rerailing my cars and attach them again. And I have to end this video pretty soon because you know the rule, make short videos. And I'm gonna attach my cars here. My Wisconsin Central car. And attach it there. And my BNSF caboose. And get the train rolling. Oh, it's passing the derailer. Pretty soon I'm gonna get more cars. I may begin fixing some of my train cars. And I may do that right now if I can. Well, I slowly stopped the train, and I have to end this video pretty soon, but I'm going to add on some cars here and drive them over the railroad crossing to let the trains pass. So I'm gonna go grab some cars. What the heck? The Wisconsin car fell over. Well, I got a few, a McDonald's Happy Meal, Hot Wheels car, another Hot Wheels car, and a Hot Wheels fire truck, rescue fire truck. Alright, so I'm going to start the train. Here it comes. Oh no, my car got stuck. Oh no, let's check out what happened to the car. Ooh, direct hits. Well, now back to my small looking layout. I'm gonna drive the car away. Train's gonna start again. And we'll have some cars at the crossing. Oh! See how the mechanism works. Ooh. And I wonder what happens when you keep the gate up with your hand. I'm not even going to try attempting it. You little gate, you didn't fall down. Okay, I'll try to attempt it. Nothing happens. The train doesn't derail or anything. Oh, I almost derailed it. Well, this has been a nice day on the model tracks. Thank you so much for watching, and bye! I just have to do it. Bring it on, train! Ooh! Oh! Ooh! Come back here! Oh! Oh!